আসসালামু আলাইকুম। বৈশ্বিক করোনা পরিস্থিতিতে সবাই সচেতন হই, সুস্থ থাকি। একান্ত প্রয়োজন না হলে আমরা কেউ বাইরে যাব না। ঢাকা জেলার নবাবগঞ্জ উপজেলাধীন খানিপুর উচ্চ বিদ্যালয়ের সকল শিক্ষার্থী, সম্মানিত অভিভাবক ও সংশ্লিষ্ট সকলকে শ্রেণী পাঠদানের বিকল্প অনলাইন ক্লাসে স্বাগতম জানাচ্ছি। আমাদের সকলের সম্মিলিত প্রচেষ্টায় আমরা এগিয়ে যাব এবং নির্ধারিত লক্ষ্যে পৌঁছে যাব ইনশাআল্লাহ। আসুন সবাই অংশ নেই খানিপুর উচ্চ বিদ্যালয়ের অনলাইন
Dear
ক্লাসে।
students, how are you today? I hope to do well. Staying home with your parents, maintaining social distance, wash your hands time to time. If you go out, use your mask and hand gloves. And by the way, we are going to take online class for you by our arranging by our authority. And now today you are very attentive to your English class, so welcome our online class during COVID-19. I am Muzaffar Ahmed, your English teacher of Khanapur High School. Now I am discussing about grammatical item transformation of sentence. Yesterday, you know, I discussed negative and affirmative. Today, I am going to discuss assertive and interrogative, your very important topics of your grammatical rule. So, you prepare with your pen and paper and or your notebook. When you need, please write down about different topics. And yesterday I also requested you to take help if you could not understand any point to our authority, our headmaster, or phone to me. Today I also say the same request. You all times be ready to do this. Now, today's matter is assertive to interrogative. After discussing my topics, and if you follow, at the end of these topics, you will describe the structure of assertive, affirmative and interrogative sentence. Write the structure affirmative sentence. Identify the difference of affirmative and interrogative. This is today's objectives. You also make sentence of assertive and interrogative sentence. Now, dear students, assertive to interrogative is very important for our reading and writing skill, and every students of class 6 to 10 need know about this rule and write down every time of your practical life. So it is very important class. Now, firstly, I discussed that assertive sentence is two types, affirmative and negative. Last day I also discussed about it. If we need make interrogative any assertive sentence, then you must make it negative if your assertive sentence is affirmative, and if affirmative, make it negative. Now, this is clear for you. I also set up Bangla for your better help. For your better help, you can help this type. When you make interrogative sentence, it stands by negative interrogative form. Negative interrogative form. Understand? Okay. If you find any auxiliary verb in your sentence, auxiliary means helping verb, not main verb. If you find auxiliary, that means am, is, are, was, were, have, has, can, could, etc. etc. It will be attached with negative form. That means if you find is, isn't. At first you said isn't. If you find am, ain't. That means all to be verb is set with negative form. Am will be ain't, are will be aren't, is will be isn't, was wasn't, were will be weren't, have will be haven't, has will be hasn't, and this way. And other modal also changed into interrogative form with negative. If you find will, can, shall, etc., it will set for your interrogative. Will would be owned, can would be can't, shall would be shan't, and am would be ain't. That's will previous lesson. Here's a sentence, assertive sentence. He is in the school. He is in the school. You also write down this very rule. Rule 1. You will write down. It is very important for you. Not miss this class and not only read out. Write down on your notebook. That will help you your previous time. Then assertive, he is in the school. If we make it interrogative, it will be isn't. Is the help, is the to be verb. So is including anti. Omitted, not omitted, and it means anti. Isn't he in the school? Understand? You can do the work. And if we make interrogative, can is the modal, and can't you do the work? Can't you do the work? Okay. And next, rule 2. If you find any auxiliary verb, you will make it negative with our previous rule, with your auxiliary verb. With your auxiliary verb, you will set not. So, he is not in the school. If your auxiliary verb is with negative form, then you will make it interrogative with affirmative form. Make it affirmative form. This is, he is not in the school. Is he in the school? Our rule 1 was affirmative, and we make interrogative using negative form. But here our assertive is with negative form, and we make interrogative with affirmative form. I shall not go to Dhaka tomorrow. Here is negative, so it is negative form. Shall I go to Dhaka tomorrow? They are omitted not. Not is omitted. So, it is very easy to make an interrogative sentence. You may write down write down these topics. And now, rule 3, another important item. If you find your assertive sentence without to be or auxiliary verb, that means your sentence may be set with main verb, then how could we make it interrogative? From our previous rule 1 and rule 2, we know that with helping verb we make interrogative, affirmative or negative. But here, if you do not have any helping verb, what will do? It is not hesitating. If you do not find any auxiliary verb, that means you will get any sentence with main verb, you need do, did or does. That means if you find present form, your main verb present form, you will set don't or doesn't. If subject third person singular number, it will be doesn't. And if your main verb past form, you will set didn't. And remember, then your main verb will present form. You follow it. He played football. It is assertive sentence and we make it interrogative. Didn't he play football? Good football? Played is past form, so here is no helping verb. This is why we set did as our helping verb. Didn't he? When we make did, then our main verb that was past form, now it is in present form, play. Clear? Okay. He likes ice cream. Here, look, Ash, like is main verb. Why? Here, Ash is seated, because he is a subject and it is third person. And when we know our tense, structure of tense, if the subject present, third person, present form attached with s or es. This is why s is seated. Now, we make it interrogative. Doesn't he like ice cream? Do attached with es, because he is third person. Our main verb is attached with s. And another assertive sentence, a never is your if your assertive sentence attached with never, you will make it interrogative using do, does or did, and then never will be ever. And remember, all times your sentence, interrogative sentence must attach with interrogative sign. Without interrogative sign, it is not correct sentence. You never play football. Here, play is a present form, simple present. So, do is seated. And as never is negative, so do is not connected with anti. Do you ever play football? Easy? Okay. I have nothing to do. Here, have is our main verb attached with to have verb. Here, we make interrogative. Have I anything to do? As nothing is a negative form, so have need not attached with anti. So it is affirmative sentence when we make it interrogative. Please write down this rule. It is very important for you. Okay? Yes, I discussed about this point. If you find nothing, you will set as anything. I think you have written it. Rule 5. You know, if you find in any assertive sentence everybody, everyone, all, it will need to make interrogative who doesn't. We use who doesn't at first who, and with your subject, according to your subject, you will set do, don't or doesn't. Especially doesn't is set at this kind of sentence. Everybody wants to be win. Here everybody, for this everybody we said who doesn't. Who doesn't, according to rule. With in lieu of everybody we said who doesn't. Who doesn't wish to be win. Okay. Everybody loves flowers. Who doesn't love flowers? Same way, if you find any time all, then you need not ask, then only love, and then who don't, you will set who don't. But this kind of is very rare. And another, opposite everybody, everyone, nobody, no one, no person, none. If you find this kind of word in your subject assertive sentence, if you find this kind of word, you will make it interrogative with only who. You need not any doesn't or didn't or don't. You only set who. Understand? Nobody could ever count my love for you. Here, nobody is negative form. This is why you make interrogative without negative form. Who could ever count my love for you? Understand? I think you are hearing and listening better with my class and feel enjoy. You also share with your friends about this online class and share this idea, this for your friends, and we will discuss about this topic. If you could not understand any topics, please phone me or our headmaster or our authority. Here no one also negative. Who can beat him? Clear? Write down this very note. Him. Write down on your notebooks or your khata. No one can do it. You must obey your parents. They went to Dhaka. He has done the work. You are a brilliant student. They will come today. Nobody hates a patriot. There is no problem to do this. There was no children in the class. Everyone consult a doctor. Every teacher works hard. No man likes a beggar. These very sentences you will make interrogative in your notebook, with your notebook yourself, and this khata will show your class when your school will be open. And this time, this long time, if you do not have with us, you must attentive to your health, know about COVID-19, and never disobey the rules of government applied. So, dear students, I hope you will knowing better and doing your good job, living with your parents happily. Thank you very much. Keep home, stay social distance, time to time wash your hand. Thank you very much.